Introducing the product demo video. Show your product in action with a sleek 24-second demo designed for SaaS, Fintech, Web3, and other digital businesses. Ready for YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook ads. Perfect for highlighting your product's features while adding a polished, promotional touch to your website. This is how it works. First, your logo appears. Then, your product website screens unfold on the screen. You can adjust the background color to match your brand's visual style. Our AI automatically generates the text and voiceover, perfectly tuned to your product and easy to refine during customization. Now, let's take a look at this project customized for Appointable, featuring a female voiceover.
Appointable is your all-in-one platform for appointment scheduling. Simplify bookings, automate reminders, and manage your calendar more efficiently than ever. Perfect for businesses, professionals, and teams who value simplicity. Shape your time with Appointable. Go to Appointable and start today.
Subscribe now and get a free video draft version crafted for your business, powered by this video framework.